I'm actually going to start with 2025. Many of our clients have been coming in for quarterly reviews or year reviews. They quickly notice the tremendous returns last year in international small cap value, nearly 50% in one year, and depending on the index and the holding, but tremendous return. So talk us through like what happened there. Is that customary? Like, how do we tilt our portfolios to sometimes get those kind of returns?
And it's actually quite an interesting story, specifically to that international small value and being able to capture those fantastic returns that came in last year. And I think what's interesting about this particular investment and the phenomenal year that they had in 2025 is that in some way, it came out of nowhere. If you look at this, the year before it was positive, but not nearly as much. It was below 10% or so, and then boom, all of a sudden it goes up so high. So the first thing is that when I look at these numbers, the first thing that jumps to mind is how unpredictable these different parts of an investment portfolio can be. And the most successful ones are not the ones that look and say, "Oh, this was 50% last year. Let me jump on it," but rather have it in their allocation before it does so well. So even though it was unexpectedly good, and which is great news, I think that the amazing story is that you had this in your client's portfolio, so they did capture this. So that's kind of unexpected. Nobody really expected at the beginning of last year that, hey, it's going to go up, almost 50%, whatever the number was. So that's the great news, and the best news that it was part of an allocation.